We all know that WordPress costs so much money. If you try to install WordPress on maybe some web hosting, it will always going to cost you. Suppose if you are a beginner, okay, and you do not have any money and you want to learn WordPress, okay, practically step by step. So you need WordPress, right? But problem is that you don't have money to install WordPress. But what if I tell you that you can get WordPress installed for absolutely free? So inside this course, I will going to teach you how you can install WordPress for absolutely free for lifetime with lifetime domain as well. So if you guys are interested to know how you can install WordPress for free for lifetime, then do enroll inside this free course. So the very first website will be Infinity. Okay, so just search for Infinity free. Okay, and after you will come here, you will see this Infinity free, okay, website, which is this one. Okay, so just go to this website, and now my friends, here make sure you click on this agree button. So here you can see this particular company provides you the free hosting. Okay, so the best five website which I have suggested, so this website is at very first position, okay, because it provides the fastest free hosting, okay, 99% uptime, unlimited hosting, okay, and it's completely free and no ads on your website, okay, and you can just host any domain if you wanted to, right? And you can just install 400 plus applications including WordPress with this website. So this is the first website which I really like, and I always use this website for my business as well for teaching purpose. Okay, so let's see how we can set up this website. So after you will come to this website under free hosting, just click on this sign up now button. Okay, just put your email password and just confirm your password. Okay, so in my case I will copy my email address, I will right click and paste it over here. Okay, oops, copy this. Okay, so whatever email address you have, just paste it here. Put one strong password. Okay, so I have set the password. Now click on I have read the terms and condition, and then click on this sign up button. Okay, you can of course open your email, okay, for verification purpose. Okay, so a verification link has been sent on this particular email address. So in my case it's this one. I will go here, I will click on verify email address. Okay, and now you can see that I have created the account. Okay, now you just need to create your account. Okay, so it's very easy task, and you can see we have plenty of things over here. So just first click here, click on this create account button. Okay, and you can just put your subdomain as well. Okay, it will be totally free, or you can just put your custom domain. Okay, so now we will go with the subdomain only because we want for absolutely free. Okay, now you can just choose the extension you want. Okay, so let me just choose this one. Okay, and the subdomain will be let's say Manisha. Okay, great, and check for availability because this domain name might be taken by some other user as well. So I can see the domain manishadarling.great.site.net is available. Okay, so you can just choose any extension, and you can just write whatever name you want. Okay, and then you have to put your account username. Okay, so it will be automatically generated, and just set your password as well. Okay, so I will set password. Okay, uh, money. Okay, let me just go ahead. Okay, so this is the password. Okay, so basically you can just remember this password and just click on create account. Okay, and now it's done. Okay, so now your account has been created with the username. This one here are tips. It may take few minutes for your account to set up. You can log into your panel already. It can take 72 hours for a new domain to visible everywhere. Okay, please log into your control panel. Okay, okay, so just click on open control panel. Okay, to notify changes to service. Okay, click okay. Alternatively I can, okay, so you can just have to click on I approve, and then you will going to visit to their cPanel of Infinity Free. Okay, so you will come to their panel. Okay, so from this panel you can just go, okay, to Softenia's app installer. Just click on that. So after you will come here, you just need to go with the WordPress, and here you will see other application as well, but we have to just go with the WordPress. Click on this install button. Okay, and now you guys will going to see all this thing. Okay, and then you can just go and change the username. For example, I can just keep the username, and you can just set your password as well. Okay, so you can just hide. Okay, okay, so after you will set your username password, so remember this because this will going to help you to access your WordPress website. Okay, so make sure that whatever you put on username and password, please make sure you guys save it somewhere else. Okay, and then here you don't have to do anything. Okay, and after you will do this, just click on this install button, and it will take few hours, and after it will going to be 100%, so you will be able to successfully install WordPress website. Now let's wait for it to get completed. Okay, so now you can see we are good to go. So here is the site. Okay, and this is the administration URL. Okay, so you can just go to the first link, and then you will see your WordPress website is ready. And of course if you want to go to your dashboard, so just type here wp-admin. Okay, so when you will type this at the end of your URL, okay, so it will take you to here. Okay, so make sure that this is your URL. Okay, and at end, okay, and at end you have to type slash, then write wp-admin. Okay, and then you can just put that logins and password. Okay, and then it will basically going to take you inside your WordPress dashboard. Also you can just go to you can just click on this URL, and this URL will also going to take you to your WordPress website. Okay, so this is the one website that can help you to get lifetime WordPress website with free domain and free hosting for lifetime. Okay, so now guys, here we have to install the SSL certificate as well. So here you can see the log at very top. Okay, so this log is very much important, which will going to say that your connection is secure. But in our website you can see connection is not secure. So how we have done that? So for that purpose, my friends, we have created a complete tutorial, okay, of 12 minutes. So we have to take the help of Cloudflare. So Cloudflare is one company that will going to give you SSLs for free. You just simply need to connect your WordPress website with Cloudflare. Okay, so the website which you have installed right now, you just need to simply connect this website with your Cloudflare. Okay, and what will be the procedure? So the procedure has been taught inside this particular video of 12 minutes. So I have just provided you guys the link over here. You can see free SSL with Cloudflare. If you will click on this link, you will come to this particular video, and in this video you will basically going to learn how you can connect your WordPress website, okay, with Cloudflare. And not only because of SSL certificate, but Cloudflare will also going to improve your WordPress performance as well, right? So for that very purpose, it's very much important for almost every people to connect their website with Cloudflare whenever you make your WordPress website, because this is a CDN content delivery network website that will going to boost your website, okay. And any people will going to open from any location. Maybe if you're from Asia, if someone will going to open from Europe, still your website will be open to the Europe very quickly if you connect Cloudflare with the WordPress. So make sure we have provided you the link as well. Maybe we will going to provide you this particular notes at very top of the video. So from there you can just download that, or you will see this particular link in this lesson only, okay. So in this lesson we will going to attach how you can connect your WordPress website with Cloudflare as well, right? So in this way you can successfully connect your Cloudflare with your WordPress website for absolutely free, okay. Now many people ask, is it okay to use this free web hosting, okay, or not? So answer is yes, you can use it, okay. So the WordPress website which we have set up right now, you can use it for lifetime, no issues, but just for teaching purpose only, or means I just mean to say here is that just for your learning purpose only, use this free WordPress website. You will access it for lifetime. There is no limitation, okay. You can just use it for lifetime. There will be no restriction. No one will ever going to ask you to purchase or to upgrade the plan. The method which I have showed you right now using Infinity, you can just install the WordPress, the website I have told you how you can install it, and you can use it for lifetime, no limitation. But the only thing which I just wanted to teach you is that use it only for learning purpose, okay. Just use it for learning purpose. Now what I mean to say, see, WordPress is a very broad topic. If you will just go to my website, that is kukucourses.com, if you will just go to my website, okay. So here you will see these courses, okay. So click on this courses button, and now here you will going to see we have the option of web development. If you will click on this option, so you can see with WordPress you can just do or create plenty type of website, like you can, okay, build your own chat GPT with WordPress and Elementor, okay. You can just do web design, you can just learn about web design. You can also create one job portal website with WordPress, okay. You can even create money making blogging website with ChatGPT and WordPress. You can even create fitness website with WordPress, farming website with WordPress, okay. And agency website with WordPress. You can also create Facebook like website with WordPress, right? So you can see you can just create tons of different types of website with WordPress. Even you can just create affiliate marketing website, personal branding website. You can create drop shipping website with WordPress, e-commerce website with WordPress, online course website with WordPress, okay. So you can see in my website I have shown you you can use this WordPress website. You can use this WordPress website, and you can create different types of, you know, websites using WordPress. So my suggestion will be only use it for teaching purpose, and all the courses which I have shown you, you can just come to my website and you can learn all these courses. Okay, or I will also going to attach all these courses link in the very last lesson, which will be bonus lesson. So there I will going to give you all these courses. Okay, so in the last very bonus lesson, just check out, you will see all these courses. Okay, as a bonus I will going to give you, so you can just learn all these courses. Okay, and my purpose is to teach you, just learn about WordPress. With WordPress, how you can create different types of website. Okay, so you can see you can create tons of different types of website with WordPress, right? You can see tons and tons of website. You can create unique type of website like fitness website. So my my way or my purpose of telling you to use this free website only for learning purpose. If you want to learn how you can build blogging website with ChatGPT, okay, so you can just watch this course, okay, and just implement whatever I will going to teach you, and just create your money making blogging website with ChatGPT and WordPress. So just learn how to use WordPress. So for teaching purpose, it's very good to use these free websites. Okay, after you learn to use WordPress, then my suggestion will be to buy some premium hosting services. We will going to suggest you the best web hosting, which is very affordable, very cheap, but gives you the best performance. We will going to cover those things in the coming topics. Okay, but here my purpose is just to teach you that you have installed the free WordPress website. Just use this free website just for a learning purpose. Don't use it for your business, because this type of website will not going to give you anything in return, because this is free with plenty of limitations, right? So hope you guys are understanding my point of view, which I'm trying to teach you guys. Okay, so for learning purpose, it's a very great. And some people have question that suppose I have created this website and I want to monetize this website, so can I do that with the help of Google AdSense to make money? Like you can see, we have this website, okay, businessvidya.co.in. we have this particular website. So here you can see we have plenty of these ads, and you can see this is the ads by Google. So you can also show this type of ads, okay, on your website as well. Okay, so there's no restriction. If you are using the free WordPress, there's no restriction. Google will going to allow you even to put their Google AdSense on your website. Okay, and if you don't know how you can do that, so you can just search for Bing Commerce. Let's say Bing Commerce, you can just write here Google AdSense, right? And then you can see we have these two videos. Okay, so you can just watch how to add Google AdSense to WordPress website. You can just watch this video. Okay, so let me just skip the ad. Okay,
Hey guys,
so in this particular video we have just taught you, in case if you are eager to connect your Google AdSense with your WordPress website to make money, then you can just simply watch this video. I will also going to provide you the link of this particular video. Okay, Google AdSense. So you can just watch that video and you can gain knowledge how you can do that. Okay, so 10,000 people have viewed this video, so you can just watch this video and take the benefit of it. Okay, So hope you guys have understood, okay, why to use this free site. Okay, just for your learning purpose you have to use this particular free WordPress website, and I will not going to recommend you guys to use it for your business. So you can see that this is our website kukucourses.com. So this website I have not created in the free WordPress because it will not going to handle these websites. Okay, so I have purchased, you know, one amazing web hosting company. I will also going to tell you about that company in coming lesson. Okay, so you can also get that company and you can use it for your professional purpose. Okay. Hey guys, so now we will first of all going to talk about hosting. Okay, what is hosting or a web hosting? So before we just go and set up how to buy and everything, let me just tell you in a very simple language what is hosting. So hosting means storage. Okay. Now see, if you go to any websites, let's suppose we go to Apple's website. Okay, and if we just open Apple's website, now all the website which you see basically use hosting. Okay, so hosting is very much important whether you want to install WordPress, whether you want to install some application. Okay, so for many purposes hosting is very much important. So in simple, hosting is storage. Suppose you have one website or you want to create one website, so whatever website you have or whatever website you want to create, of course in that website you will going to use images, okay, some text, some videos as well, some gif as well. So where all these items will going to store, it will going to store on your hosting or a web hosting. Okay, so hosting work as a storage for your website or application. So to make any website, you require hosting because for your website you need to upload plenty of images, videos, files, many more to your website. Okay, so to store things in your website, you require hosting. Okay, so it's very simple, right? So now we will be purchasing hosting from Hostinger. Okay, so we have also provided the link in the lessons below description. Okay, so you can just check this video's description. We have provided you the link, okay, of Hostinger. We will going to offer you a discount, so just follow the lecture whatever I am teaching you. So first just go below in this video resources, you will going to get, or in video description you will going to get one link of Hostinger. You can just directly type hostinger.com slash Bing Commerce. If you use this link, so this link will going to take you to the accurate website where you will going to get lots of offer or a big possibility that you will going to get offers, and it will take you to the same website according to your country. Okay, so wherever you are in, whether you are in USA, so this link will going to take you to the US Hostinger website. If you are from India, so it will going to take you to the India Hostinger website. So just use this link. I have provided the link in the video description, okay, or in the resources. You can just check this link and just click on this link. It will take you guys to the Hostinger's website. Very simple. In my case, I am from India, so you can see I am from India, so it has taken me to hostinger.in, okay, automatically. So this is the power of the link. And if you want to purchase maybe for United Kingdom or some other country, you can even choose that. Okay, so for example, I want to buy from US, so it will going to take you to the hostinger.com, and everything is same. Okay, all the features and everything, whether you buy from any country, the procedure will be same. But to be frankly speaking, buy from your country wherever your country hostinger is. So always use this link which I will going to tell you, that is hostinger.com slash Bing Commerce. It will going to take you to the accurate country's website where you are living in. Okay, so what will going to happen, it will going to help you to make payment very easily, because for different countries they have for different payment gateways, right? So it's better to buy from your own country hostinger's website. Okay, so you can just purchase it easily. because I have seen some people from my country, they buy from UK, so payment get fail. Okay, sometimes they get problem that their money is deducted from their bank account and they haven't received the service of hosting us. So this all happens. So it's a good idea to use the link. It will take you to the appropriate your country hosting us website. Now, whatever country you are purchasing in, the formula will be same. At very top, you will see various hosting type. So hosting a WordPress hosting is very common, or even you can take web hosting as well. Okay, so now I will going to take you or tell you how you can just buy web hosting, and inside this web hosting only you can upload your applications, your WordPress as well. So if you try to buy the WordPress hosting, so it will only going to optimize for WordPress, right? But in case in future if you want to add some applications, so for that purpose, web hosting is a very good solution. And don't worry, inside web hosting also you can add your WordPress very easily and it will work like a butter, okay, very smoothly. So always go with this web hosting plan, okay? And after you will click on the web hosting, you will see various option. Of course, if you want to go with the cloud hosting as well, you can just go ahead. Procedures are 100% same. Okay, and here you can see, my friends, you will going to get three plans, that is single web hosting, premium web hosting, and business web hosting. Okay, so it's my always recommendation to buy the second plan. Okay, never buy the first plan, that is single web hosting, because you can create only one website or one application, so that is totally useless. You will not even going to get the domain as well. Okay, and there are plenty more disadvantage. You will going to not get plenty of stuff. Okay, you can just see all the features and you can just find that you will only going to get the option to create two subdomains. Now what is this subdomains? We will going to talk about that in later on. You will not going to get a complete database. Okay, you can see it in yellow color. Okay, so these are all the problems you may face. Personally speaking, I have purchased the business web hosting, but I know that many of you guys don't even have money. So it's my recommendation, please go ahead with this second plan. Whatever hosting, from wherever hosting you are purchasing, never buy the first plan of any hosting company. Like from now we are just purchasing hosting from the hostinger, so always buy the second plan. Okay, or if you can buy more upper plan, it will be more good for you. Okay, because you can see if you buy more top plan, so you will going to get more storage, unlimited bandwidth, free domain as well. Okay, there are plenty more features that are very much common in the second and third plan. Okay, like you can see, you will going to get WordPress tagging tool and plenty more stuff. Okay, but we will going to go with the second plan, and of course you can, even if you want to buy the first plan as well, you can. I will not going to suggest you guys, but still if you want, you can. Procedures are almost same, 100% same, whether you buy for single web hosting, premium web hosting, or a business web hosting. So I will just click on this add to cart button. Okay, so just click on this button, then it will going to take you guys to the cart button. Okay, so let's wait. If you buy from any other country, so the procedures will be almost same. Okay, and from here, my friends, never buy the first one. Okay, always buy minimum of 12 months at least, because see, in 1 month, for every 1 month you will going to pay this much of amount. Okay, in US dollar, if you are from purchasing from US, so you will see it will be costly as compared to all of them. You can just multiply this amount by 12. Okay, for example, in my case, let me just do some calculator. Okay, calculator online. Okay, so here you can see 589, that is 589 multiplied by 12 months. Okay, because per month it is costing you 589, and if you just see for 12 months, it will be 7068, which will be hell costly for you. But if you will buy for 12 months, so here you can see the pricing, it will only going to cost you this much of amount. Okay, so hope you guys are getting the idea clear. But of course, if you buy for more big plan, like in my case, I have purchased for 48 months. Okay, so you can just save a good amount of money here. That means in every 4 month, or sorry, 4 year, you don't have to renew it. Okay, so my personal suggestion will be, to go with a higher plan or a higher period if possible. Or if you don't have money, so at least go, and as I have told you, that buy the second plan and choose the period, at least second one. Okay, that is 12 months. At least 12 months you have to take if you purchasing hosting from any company. Okay, at least take for 12 months. But of course, if you want more benefits, of course you can just upgrade to the maximum one if you have money. And then for example, in my case, I will choose the 12 months. And from here you can just create your account, you can just put your email address, or you can just directly sign up using the Google or Facebook. Okay, so in my case I am taking with the Google. If it allows me, sometimes Hostinger creates problem, and just give it permission, and then it will automatically going to create your Hostinger account, and you don't have to do anything. Okay, very simple. Let's wait. Okay, so it's done, and you have created your account, everything is done. You have chosen the 12 months. But if you can go with the higher plan, you can. And then from here you will see this option of a have a coupon code. So here you have to use the coupon Bing Commerce, everything in capital. Okay, just type this, that is Bing Commerce. See the spelling Bing Commerce, and then you will see the magic. Just click on this apply button, and you will going to get good discount. Okay, all done. Then you just need to click on the submit secure payment. Okay, okay, so from here, my friends, you need to make payment. Of course, you can even go back, and there you will find the plenty of more other options. Like in our case, I have chosen Visa. You can even choose Google Pay, UPI, whatever you want to. Okay, so you can just choose it. Okay, in my case I will choose, let's say, UPI. You just need to make payment, that's it. Okay, so idea is that simple. So whatever payment you have chosen, just fill the information, your payment information, and just click on continue. So guys, after you will going to make payment, you just need to wait for few seconds. Okay, so Hostinger is loading. Just wait for few seconds, then click on the start now button. Then you just need to click on this option skip. I don't want the personalized experience for now. And from here again, click on this skip, create an empty website. And from here you can see that you will going to get the option to claim a free domain. Okay, so from here you can just select it. Okay, and you can just enter the domain. So in my case, I will going to enter a domain, let's say my name only, Kunal Lonare, uh, dot com. Okay, whatever it is available in .com. Just search for it, that whether that domain is available or not. So you can see that this domain is available, but for some reason, let's say if I just type here cuckoo courses. Okay, and if from here if I choose it to .com, so whatever domain you may search, so this can say that this domain is already taken. So that means you have to choose some other domain, or you can just try to change the extension. For example, I can upload pw, and here most probably it will be available. So like that, you can just change the domain or change this extension from here. Okay, so in my case, I will just go ahead with Kunal Lunhare, and from here I will going to choose basically dot xyz for an example. Okay, just search for this. Okay, it's also taken, so I will going to go with, let's say, .me. Okay, I can just search for this, whether this domain is available. Okay, I can just go ahead with this domain. I can just click on this continue button. Okay, so from here you have to choose the primary information from where you are belong to. Choose that, put it to personal, company, it's up to you. I will choose it to personal for an example. And here you have to put all your details. Okay, so just fill the form, and after you fill the form, just click on finish registration. And also one more thing, guys, when you take the domain, so you will not going to get the free domain option in the first plan. So you might have seen that in the web hosting plan. So here you will not going to get the option of a free domain, you can see here. Okay, But as we have taken this plan, so here we are getting the free domain. But in case if you guys basically want to connect your external domain, maybe you have purchased from some other domain company like GoDaddy, Namecheap, so how you can connect with Hostinger, that is what I will also going to teach you. Okay, so you don't have to worry about anything. Then just click on this finish setup button. Okay, you can of course change the name server from here as well, it's totally up to you. Okay, but I will just go with the Asia, and let's wait for few seconds. It is completing the initiating setup. Okay, so you just need to now hold on and it will going to work for you. Okay, so you don't have to worry about anything. And after you see this, you just need to click on this manage site as well. Okay, that's it. So now my friends, this is how you have set up your Hostinger account. And one more thing, if you ever want to visit your this Hostinger account, you just need to type hpanel.hostinger.com, hpanel.hostinger.com. Okay, just type this on your browser, everything in small, click on enter, it will take you to the Hostinger's dashboard. Okay, in future if you want to visit the backend of the Hostinger, so this is how you have to visit to the Hostinger's edge panel, or you might have heard about cPanel, but Hostinger has their own panel that is called as edge panel. Okay, so just type this hpanel.hostinger.com, it will take you to your Hostinger's website. That's it. Okay, and here you will also going to see ensure the security of your account stay updated. So just click on this send verification email, and it will only going to ask first time. Okay, it will just verify that whether we are legitimate or not. So just open your Gmail or whatever Yahoo panel and just verify it. Okay, whatever you are using basically. So here you will see Hostinger verify your email address. Just tap here and click on this verify email button. Okay, and it will going to verify your Hostinger's panel basically. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, I guess they have some problem going on. You don't have to worry, again just try to click here, or there might be some glitch with the company. Okay, so there is might some glitch with the company, but don't worry, this is how you can just set up your Hostinger account very easily, and you can just easily set up your Hostinger panel. Okay, so now we will going to talk about domain. So my friends, understand this one thing, that we will be setting up domain from the Namecheap. But if you have taken some hosting, so basically many hosting companies give you domain for free. Okay, basically for example, if you take some hosting plan, so here you will find that some, not only Hostinger but many companies give you domain for absolutely free, so you don't have to purchase it. Okay, but sometimes this happen, maybe you have purchased plan where you will not going to get free domain, or maybe you have purchased domain from some other website, let's say GoDaddy, and if you want to connect that with your hosting company. Okay, so how you can do that, so each and everything will be taught here. So first, let's talk about how you can set up or purchase a domain name from Namecheap. And before we just go ahead with that, let me just explain you in a very simple what is domain basically. So my friends, domain is nothing but the address of website. So for example, if you want to visit to my house, so my house will going to have one unique address, and if I will going to give you the address of my house, then you can visit to my house, right? So similarly, every website has one unique address. Okay, every website has one unique address, and that address is called as domain. For example, if I want to visit Apple's website, so I will going to type apple.com. So this is the address or a domain of Apple company. Okay, so if I will click on apple.com, it will take me to the Apple's website. Similarly, you might have heard about the e-commerce brand called as Amazon. Okay, so if I will just type amazon.com, so this is the address of Amazon company, or I can say this is the domain of a Amazon company. Okay, so if I will type amazon.com and if I click on enter, it will take me to the Amazon's website. So hope you guys are understanding the concept of domain. So to make any website online, you need to have one domain name. Until and unless you will not going to have domain name, no one can access your website. Okay, because until and unless you will not going to have domain name, so people will not be able to type anything to visit your website, right? So that's why it's very much important to have one domain name. Okay, so now let's see how you can buy a domain name from Namecheap. So my friends, you just need to type my dash link.in slash name cheap. Okay, and I have also provided you this link in this video description box. Okay, or you can see in the videos resources tab, we have provided you this link. So just directly click on this link, or you can just type my dash link.in, everything in small. Okay, and you can directly visit to Namecheap's official website. Okay, and now from this website you can purchase whatever domain you want to. For example, I want to buy a domain for my brand, so I will just going to type the name, and I will click on this search button. Okay, or click on enter button, and then you guys will going to find all the necessary domains that are available. Okay, so you can see there are plenty of domain name that are available right now. Like this domain name is already registered. Okay, so I cannot purchase it, but there are many more domain. For example, kunallunari.live. Okay, this domain is also available. So let's take this domain. Okay, or whatever domain name you want, you can just simply search for that domain that is related to maybe your name or your brand name. Just search for it, and you will going to find all the available domains, and the domains which will be not available, it will say that this domain is already registered. Okay, that means it is taken by someone else, so you cannot purchase it. But for example, here you can see there are plenty more domain names that are available right now, and I can purchase that, right? Idea is that simple, my friends. Okay, so in this case, I will going to purchase this one, that is kunallunari.live, because it is available. So just for a dummy purpose, I will going to purchase this domain. So just click on this button called as add to cart button. Okay, so just click on this button, and you can see that here Namecheap will going to give you more options. Okay, that you want to get the web hosting or everything, but we don't have to do anything. You just need to click on this checkout button, which you can see up here at very down, or you can just view the item. Just click on this checkout. Okay, so click on this checkout, which you can see at very bottom right side. So after you will click on that checkout button, Namecheap will going to take you here. Okay, and here you can see that they will going to provide you some domain privacy and everything. So right now they are saying that it's free, so of course you guys can take that, but sometimes they will not going to give you this for free, so make sure you just switch it off. Otherwise they will going to charge you extra on the on above this domain price. Okay, but right now it is saying free, so I will go ahead with this, and I will going to click on this confirm order. Okay, so make sure that you see the subtotal. Okay, and just click on this confirm order, and now it will going to ask you do you already have account, so you can just log into your account and purchase it. But in case if you're a new like me, I am very much new to Namecheap, because I am teaching you guys how to do that. Okay, so just put all the informations here. Okay, for example, I can just put, or just put all the information, set your password, then click on create account and continue, and make sure you just tick mark this box as well. Okay, So my friends, after you will create your account, then you have to put your account content informations, basic information like your name, last name. Company name is optional. Okay, so there is no necessary to put the company name or a job title. You can just put all the informations like address, city, zip code, country. Okay, and you can even add your phone number, which is mandatory, but this fax number is totally optional. Okay, so you don't have to put it. You don't have to put it. It is totally optional. Okay, and put the remaining data, and after you will put that, click on this continue button. Okay, and my friends, after you will fill all the information, now you just need to put your payment method through which you can make payment basically. Okay, and after you will make payment, just click on this continue button, and then you can just confirm it, your subdomain, okay, everything, and then just click on this pay now button. Okay, and just wait for a few seconds. And you can see that you have finally purchased from the Namecheap. Okay, so here you can see your domain name and all the informations you can see on this page. Okay, so you can just click on this manage button to manage your domain. Okay, that's it. Okay, and if you again want to visit to the website, okay, so just search again for the link, that is my dash link in slash Namecheap, and then you can again just go to the website. And if you ever want to see your domain name list, so just click on your account, which you can see here, just hover your cursor here, and then here you will see this option called as domain list. Okay, so just click on this button, right? So you can again just go to your domain management of that means whatever domain you have purchased from Namecheap, all that domain you can see under here. Okay, under domain list. So you can see right now I have purchased this kunalunai.live, so it is visible here. Okay, so my friends, this is how you can basically purchase your domain name from the Namecheap. Okay, so it is that simple, my friends. Okay, so very easy. Okay, and from this manage tab, you can just manage your domain name. You can just change their DNS record. Okay, you can even change the name servers as well. Okay, so basically here you can see the name server option. So many a times this happens that people sometimes take hosting from some other company. Okay, for example, we in our case, let me just also show you how you can integrate just with one example. Okay, so you will better going to understand. For example, let's suppose you have purchased hosting from Hostinger. Okay, so from here you guys will going to see this option of a hosting. Okay, hosting. So sometimes this happen that we want to create a website, but our domain name is in Namecheap. Okay, but our web hosting is in some other company. In our example, it's Hostinger. So in all the cases, everywhere it is common, so you just need to click on this add website button. Okay, and now basically what I'm teaching you is how you can just connect your domain name which you have on Namecheap to your web hosting which you have on your Hostinger. Okay, so for example, let me just go with the online store, and I can just click on escape and create an empty website. I can just click on this, and here you will see the option of use an existing domain, because in our case we have purchased the domain name from Namecheap, and in GoDaddy also the formula is 100% same. Okay, I will also going to tell you about the GoDaddy as well. Okay, okay, but the concept is very same. You just need to click on this select button. Okay, and whatever domain name you have purchased from Namecheap, so in our case we have purchased this domain, that is kunalunari.live. Okay, this is the domain. So whatever domain you have purchased, just copy that domain name and just right click here and click on paste and click on continue. Okay, so this is the domain name which we are connecting from Namecheap to our web hosting, and we can create the website. And after this will be done, basically Hostinger or any web hosting company will going to give their name server. So Hostinger has this name server, so whatever name server you will see, just copy this, right click on copy this one. Okay, go to Namecheap, and here you will see the option of a name server. So where you can just locate this, just go to account under domain list. Okay, let me just show you again. Go to first go to Namecheap website, then login or register, whatever it is, then just click on this domain list. Okay, and then you will see basically your domain name. So from here, this is your domain, right? So you just need to click on this domain, or you can just click on this manage option, which you can see here, and then you will see this option of a name servers. From here you can just select to custom DNS. Okay, just select to custom DNS, and whatever name server you have got from your hosting company. In our case it's Hostinger, so just right click on copy. Go here, right click on paste the first name server. Similarly, go to the your hosting website, right click on copy, and then just go here, right click on paste. So you have pasted the name servers. That's it. This is what you need to do. And then just go basically, we have this save button here, I guess. Okay, wait, where is that button? It should be here, I guess. No redirect. uh, okay. I don't know whether these guys have clicked the option of as if, okay, so it's here basically, sorry. It's here, you can see they have this tick mark button called as save. So just click on this button and it will be good to go. Okay, so this is what you need to do. And Namecheap says that DNS will take up to 48 hours. Okay, so maximum to maximum it takes 48 hours to connect your web hosting and domain name together. Okay, so after you do this, just click on this continue button, and boom, you have all done. And then just click on this manage site. Okay, let me just show you. And boom, you have got your hosting. Okay, your web hosting connected with your domain. So if you will just click on this hosting again for an example, so you can see now you have this kunalunari.live which you have purchased from Namecheap, and you have successfully connected with your web hosting. But to make it successfully connected, it may take sometime maximum to maximum 48 hours. So just be patient, and within 48 hours it will be connected. Okay, so relax, you don't have to worry about anything. So this is how, my friends, you can just buy a domain name from Namecheap, and this is how you can just connect your domain name to some other web hosting. In our example, we have shown you with the Hostinger. And if you have purchased from GoDaddy as well, so concept is very simple, my friends. Let me just show you in short. Okay, let me just show you in very short. Whatever domain name you will, suppose you have purchased from GoDaddy, so you just need to click on this, and under my products you will see all your domain name listed basically. Okay, so whatever domain name you will see, or you want to connect with the web hosting, just click on this manage button. Okay, just wait. It is taking time. Okay, so from here, okay, or what you can do is that you can just go back, just for an example, just go back, and from here you can just directly click on this DNS button which you can see up here. Okay, just click on the DNS button, and my friends, then here you will see the option of a name servers. Okay, change name servers. So you can just click on this change button. Okay, and as I have shown you, click on this enter my own name servers, and as I have shown you, like Hostinger has given us two name servers, right? So you, in case if you have domain name on GoDaddy, just for an example, but in our case it's, we have shown you with Namecheap how you can connect with Namecheap and web hosting. But in case if you have hosting from some other company and domain on GoDaddy, so in that case, you again have to click on this add website. Okay, and then it will again going to give you two name servers. You just need to paste the name servers here. Okay, and then click on save button, and you can successfully connect your domain name with your web hosting. So this is so simple. So this is what I just wanted to teach you, my friends, how you can purchase domain name on Namecheap, as well as we have also shown you how you can connect your domain name with your web hosting companies. Okay, so the procedures are very simple, and it may take 48 hours. So just relax, you don't have to worry about anything. Within 48 hours it will be successfully connected with your web hosting and domain name 100%. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you. This is all about this tutorial. Okay. Okay, so now what, like I have said you that after you learn WordPress, then you have to move to premium hosting. Okay, so now suppose you have, with the free hosting you have created plenty of websites, okay, and you have learned to use WordPress website, how to use it. Okay, so now what you need to do is that you need to shift your website to premium web hosting. Okay, now maybe you have created one, website using course, and you have created, let's say, this fitness website. Okay, maybe you are a gym owner and you have watched our this course which we have put in, bonus lesson. So suppose you have taken our this course and you have learned how to create fitness website with WordPress. Okay, but the thing is that this website is in your free WordPress website, right? So now in case if you wanted to shift your current website to the premium web hosting, okay, so how you can do that, we will going to teach you. But there can be possibility that you have already created one website and if you want to shift it to premium web hosting, or there can be possibility that you have created different types of website with this free web hosting and you have become, master with WordPress. Now you want to become professional, okay, by taking some premium web hosting, okay, to utilize more resources. Okay, so as I have told you, you can easily shift your website. Okay, and I will going to suggest Hostinger. I will going to provide the link in bio or attached with this lecture below. Okay, so you can just check that company. Okay, or you can just simply go to Bing commerce. Okay, or you can just go to hostinger, okay, .com/Bing commerce. Okay, and after you will go to this link, I will also going to provide the link in this video bio or in this video lecture. Okay, I will attach with this video lecture. Okay, so here you can just go to hosting, WordPress hosting. Okay, now this is the premium web hosting. So you can see you can just create or build premium website just for 149, and let me even show you this in the US dollars. Okay, so you can just click on this top, and from here you can even choose it to United States, or you can just buy from wherever you are living. So you can just click on this icon and you can just choose your country. Okay, like maybe you live in Colombia, you can choose the Colombia and it will going to take you to the Colombia's website. Okay, and suppose here you can see just for $1 or just for $3 or $2 you can create this website, and Hostinger is the most affordable website. Okay, so you can even just search it, best cheap web hosting, okay, company. Okay, so there will be always Hostinger's name. Okay, so let me just show you guys. Okay, you can see here you can see Hostinger is at very top. Okay, and it provides the best result as well, best features as well. You can see, you can in the second plan they will going to give it 2 months for free. You can create 100 websites, you will going to get more space, unlimited bandwidth, free domain also you will going to get, unlimited SSL certificate you will going to get, weekly backups as well. So these are all the features. Okay, and the best part is that you will also going to get free migration as well. Now what is free migration? As I have told you here, shift your website to premium web hosting. Suppose in this free particular WordPress website you have created one website, okay, and you want to move this website. For example, you have made e-commerce website with this free web hosting. So if you want to shift that website to Hostinger, so their company will going to give you the free migration. That means their company will going to, their expert will going to do free migration. That means from this free web hosting they will export all the data which your WordPress website has, and they will going to shift all those data in their web hosting, so you don't have to do anything. Okay, within one day they will going to do the free migration, and in this way you can just move it to the premium web hosting, or you can shift to the premium web hosting. Okay, so you can see Hostinger says we will going to move your site to Hostinger from any web host for free. Okay, so you don't have to worry about migration complexity or some technical issues as well. Okay, so their company will going to shift all the data for you. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that thing. And now you might be confused that okay, you have told me about the Hostinger, now how I can set up the Hostinger, I don't know. So don't worry, in the next lesson we have just told you how you can set up your Hostinger. Okay, with that lecture you can just watch that lecture and you can just set up your account in Hostinger. Okay, and you will also going to get free domain if you will going to choose this particular plan. Okay, second plan. But maybe if you want to shift to the premium web hosting, but if you have chosen this lower price lower price plan, which is this one website, so here you will not going to get free domain. So in the next lesson we have also created one video lecture how you can get that domain and how you can connect with Hostinger as well. So you don't have to worry about that. But of course if you have taken the second plan at least, so a second plan you can see they will going to give you free domain in their second, third or fourth plan. Okay, so you don't have to worry about anything, just watch the next lecture. Okay, and also make sure you also watch the next two lectures, which are basically very much important. Okay, then you will be set up your Hostinger website. Okay, and you can do the migration. I will also going to teach you how you can do the migration, or how you can tell the Hostinger team to do the migration for you. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, so this was the thing, my friends, which I just wanted to teach you. And as I have told you, always use this free website which I have told you, free WordPress hosting, just for teaching. Okay, and after you are satisfied and you think that now it's a good time for me to move to some premium web hosting, then move to Hostinger, and I have provided the complete tutorial in the next two lessons as well. Okay, so make sure you also watch that as well. Okay, so now after you will come to the dashboard of Hostinger. Okay, so you can see we also create our websites with Hostinger as well. So at very top here you will see your menu. Okay, so from here you will going to see this migrate website feature. So click on that migrate website feature. Okay, and then you will see this type of interface. So here you will see add the request button, so your Hostinger team will come to know that from which website you have to pick. Okay, so select the website where to migrate. Okay, so so basically we don't have to go here. Okay, or you can just select anything you want to. Okay, or here use WordPress login. So whatever password you have basically set up to create this website. Okay, so use that WordPress account login URL. That means, let me just show you guys. Okay, so suppose this is the URL, right? So you have to just copy this, right click, copy this, go here, right click on paste. Okay, make sure at the end of your domain name this WP admin should be there. Just put the username and account and click on submit request, and after you do that Hostinger will going to take care of that. Or if you have any problem, so here you will see their chat option. Okay, just click on that chat option, click on this chat now button. Okay, and then it will going to open their pop-up. Okay, so if you have any problem, so you can just click on this send us a message, and here you can just click on this transfer and setup. Okay, and then they will going to reply you within 3 minutes, and you can just say, hey, I have this website, I want to transfer it to Hostinger, so please help me, and they will just give you the further restrictions, okay, further instructions, okay. This is the thing which you can do, okay, and this Hostinger will going to help you to shift your website, this free website, to their platform as well, okay. So it's that simple. So now the next thing is that first of all, basically, thank you for this course, for watching from starting to end, and do not worry that we have installed the free WordPress website right now. It's not necessary to move to the premium web hosting services, but it's my personal suggestion to move it, okay. If you can in future, not now. First learn about WordPress, enjoy the WordPress, see how different settings work in the WordPress, then only move it to the different premium web hosting like Hostinger, okay. And one more thing, make sure that as I have told you, explore my website, that is kukucourses.com. Here you will going to get plenty of courses on business, entrepreneurship, design, and you can see, you might have seen that people know about Leonardo, okay. So it's an AI art which you can create like this, okay, AI art images. So we have plenty of amazing courses that are related to digital marketing, and plenty of, you can see all the categories, we have this all courses, okay. And along with the courses, if you will just go, so along with the courses, you will also be able to access the free bonuses as well from our website, which we give to all the users, okay. That is 150,000 e-commerce assets you will going to get for free from our website. That will going to include premium ebooks, okay, 3,000 email marketing templates, premium softwares as well, which is very famous, like Adobe, okay, all these premium softwares, graphic design templates, you can see 1000 social media posts, okay. You will also going to get motivational reels as well, premium WordPress themes and plugins you will going to get for absolutely free inside our website, okay. So you can see, you can just simply go to sign up button, okay, and you can just put your username, email, first name, password and all. And we have two plan, lifetime or yearly. Lifetime is very much popular, and if you want, you can always use this 50 off, okay, I guess, okay, sorry, 50 off or 50 discount, okay, only for a lifetime plan it's valid, okay, not for yearly. So you can just buy for $49, okay, I'm not a robot, and register, then it will ask you to pay the money. And for some countries like India, Pakistan, we do not allow the payment, and there are some more few countries. So in that case, if you want our membership, so you can just contact us, okay, from this support page. You can just email us, or you can just use this live chat support to contact us, email us, okay, or you can chat us on WhatsApp. We will manually going to accept you, okay. So that's the thing which I just wanted to tell you guys, okay. And we also have one more website. If you are not interested to buy the membership, so you can just go to this Bing Commerce website, just search for Bing Commerce, okay, and you can just go to this Bing Commerce website, and from here you can just buy the individual courses, okay. So if, for example, if you just go to web development, and if you are not interested to buy the membership, so in that case we have created one separate website. Here you can just purchase any course individually, okay. And if you want to change the currency, you can of course change to United States. it will going to show you in dollars. Okay, so you can just buy any course you want just for a very affordable price. Now it's totally up to you whether you want to buy with Kuku courses in the form of membership, or if you want to buy it individually. Also, I will going to provide this individual courses link in the very bottom bonus lesson, okay, of this course. So check the very bottom bonus lesson, next lesson. Okay, you will see one bonus lesson where we have attached all these course links, so you can also purchase that as well. Okay, so that's the thing which I just wanted to teach you. Okay, so hope you guys have enjoyed this journey and you have installed one WordPress website for absolutely free. Okay,